Welcome back to MarineMax Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be on the first Saxdor ever to hit Lake Lanier. This is going to be the 270 GT, so it's going to be more their sport concept. Here in the back, you will have twin 200 horsepower Mercury outboards. This boat will do about 50 plus mile an hour with these two motors. The GT is going to have a nice cockpit. It's going to be nice and open with a T-top and a nice configurable seating configuration on board. So we move forward, you will have an aft seating and then your forward facing seats that will face forward. And then when it comes time to eat and entertain, just pop your table down. And then you can lift and change your seating configuration to have one central table and seat. It's a wonderful option, and you have tons of light through your skylights. To move the seat back into the driving position, you just flip it over. This boat is going to have some really unique options for a 27-foot. You are going to have a bow thruster, which really propels this boat sideways in tight docking maneuvers. Nice Simrad screen, easy to use switching. And then one of my favorite is for your trim tabs. It is just going to be a single actuating switch. So for the raise the bow, you just press it up. To list it towards your port, you just push it to port, and vice versa for starboard. So it makes it very easy instead of your trim tab switching. Inside the cabin, you will have another nice little area. I am 6'4", and I have tons of room to where I can lay down on this bed. You'll have a toilet, a nice little storage area, and the tabletop. And last but not least is your bow. If you walk forward, you're going to have a wonderful seating section up front that you can entertain, have a couple of people out, and use as a bow rider. Love to show you this boat and let you see the Saxdor in person, so give us a call today.